Hi guys, it's time for Foundations. We are on Unit 3, Week 2, Day 1. We're going to start by practicing our sounds. Say it after me. V, van, v. W, H, whistle, w. X, fox, x. T, top, t. C, H, chin, ch. I, itch, it. L, lamp, ol. S, H, ship, sh. E, ed, et. C, K, sock, k. T, H, thumb. O, octopus, ah. Q, U, queen, quack. N, nut, n. U, up, C, cat, k. J, jug, j. A, apple, ass. Okay, we're going to hold this one out. So E, ed, S. One more time. E, ed, S. Hold your U out, your vowel extension. U, up. Here we go. I, itch, it. A, apple. O, octopus, ah. Very good. I have 5 vowels. Say it with me. A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, we have some trick words this week. Reminder, trick words are words that are tricking us. We can't tap them out. We can't sound them out. They wouldn't make sense. That's why they're so tricky. This week, you're going to notice that your trick words have something in common. Let's see if you can guess what's the same about all of them when I show you. Okay, look at those words. What do you see that is the same? If you said they all end in E, that's right. This is the first word, and it is weave. What's that word? Weave. And just like in weave, my E says E, it's going to end he. And she. And I'm going to show you some more. Be, me. So all of our trick words this week are going to end with the sound and the letter E. So say them with me. We, he, she, be, me. Awesome job. All right, I'm going to show you a sentence. We went home. And now I'm going to circle a word. When you know the word, shout it out. What word did I circle? We. Very good. Next sentence. She went home. I'm going to circle a word. Yell it out when you know what I circled. She. He went home. What did I circle? He. Awesome job. Here's some more. We will be on the swings. What am I going to circle? B. Good job. That book is for me. Let's see what I'm going to circle this time. What did I circle? Me. Good job. Okay, now is the time I need you to either get out a dry erase board and a marker or a piece of paper and a pencil. Pause your video until you get that out. I'm going to get my tiles out really quick. Alrighty. I'm going to say some words and you're going to write them down. This is why you needed the whiteboard or the piece of paper. So I'm going to say a word. Pause the video so that you can spell it and then press play when you're ready to check your word with me. So please pause it. We're going to do some nonsense words. Nonsense words are not going to make sense, so listen to your sounds very carefully when you spell them. Our first word is going to be tup. What was that word? Tup. Now I want you to tap it. Use your fingers and tap tup. Tup. Okay, pause your video and spell the word tup. Okay, it's time to check. Let's see what we did. For my sound t, I should have a T, U, P. If you got that right, kiss your brain. Mwah! Good job. Okay, I'm going to drag these over. You erase your board. Okay, our next word is quet. What was that word? Quet. I want you to tap it. Quet. Quet. All right, pause the video and write your word. Press play when you're ready to check. Okay, your word was quet. For qua, qua, I should have Q-U. I should have E. I should have T. Very good job. All right, I'm dragging them. You erase. Your next word, vash. What was that word? Vash. Now tap that word. Vash. Pause your video so you can write the word down. Okay, time to check. Your word was vash. Is V, A, oh, you know what? Mrs. Berry made a mistake. Let me go to this. I'm sorry. Let's start over. And then the reason I couldn't do it before is because I didn't have my digraph, and sh is a digraph. It is SH. Now I need to get my pen out, and I need to mark this word up. I mark up digraphs by underlining them. So I'm going to underline my SH. That's my digraph. Whew, got through that one. Okay, I'm dragging it over. You erase. Let's do one more. Chaws. What was that word? Chaws. Tap it out. Ch. Ah. Chaws. Pause your video and write your word. Press play when you're ready to check. Okay, your word was chaws. For my first sound, that's ch. I need my digraph, CH. O is Z. Now let me hear you. Do I have a digraph in this word? I sure do, and it's right here at the beginning. It is CH, and so I'm going to underline my CH because that's how I mark up those words. Awesome job. I'm going to drag this over now. All right, we have one more thing to do, and that is our sight word. So remember, it's going to show you a word on the screen. You're going to say it, and when it tells you to do an action, do those. Here we go. The, a, and, is, his, of, as, has. Run in place. Two, into. We, he, she, be, me,